India is a very special country, a place where the land itself tells 1,000 different stories. Its geography is not just about maps and places, it is a living, breathing part of daily life for over 1 billion people. Imagine a country that has the world's highest mountains in one part and long, sunny beaches in another. It also has vast, dry deserts and lush, green river plains. This incredible variety is what makes India's geography so unique and fascinating. From the food people eat to the clothes they wear, the land shapes everything. It is a land of amazing contrasts, a true wonderland of nature that has captivated travelers and thinkers for centuries. The importance of India's geography can be seen everywhere you look. The tall Himalayan mountains in the north act like a giant wall, protecting the country from cold winds and influencing the monsoon rains that are vital for farming. The great rivers that flow from these mountains, like the Ganga and the Yamuna, create fertile plains where millions of people live and grow their crops. Think of how a farmer in Punjab depends on the river water, just as a fisherman in Kerala depends on the sea. The geography of India is not just a backdrop, it is the main stage on which the drama of Indian life unfolds every single day. This rich landscape has shaped India's history and its diverse cultures. Different regions develop their own unique traditions, languages, and ways of life, partly because of the mountains, rivers, and coasts that separated or connected them. For example, the spicy food of the south uses ingredients like coconut and tamarind, which grow easily along the coast. In the north, people eat more wheat-based foods like rotis and parathas, which are grown in the vast plains. This beautiful mosaic of cultures is a direct gift of India's varied geography, making it a country that offers a new experience at every turn. Understanding India's geography is like opening a wonderful storybook filled with adventure and discovery. It helps us understand why certain cities grew where they did, why some festivals are celebrated in specific seasons, and how people have learned to live in harmony with nature. From the chilly heights of Ladakh to the humid backwaters of Kerala, the land provides resources, challenges, and inspiration. It is the foundation upon which the great civilization of India was built and continues to thrive. This essay will take you on a journey through this incredible land, exploring its mountains, rivers, deserts, and coasts. In the north of India stands a magnificent crown of snow-capped peaks, the Himalayas. These are not just mountains. They are the highest mountains in the world. They form a massive natural barrier that stretches across the top of the country. Mount Everest, the world's tallest peak, is part of this range. For Indians, the Himalayas are a sacred place believed to be the home of gods. They are also the source of India's most important rivers, which bring life-giving water to the plains below. Many people visit places like Shimla and Manali in the summer to escape the heat, enjoying the cool mountain air and stunning views. Flowing down from the mighty Himalayas are great rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. These rivers have created a vast and fertile area called the Northern Plains. This region is one of the most densely populated places on Earth because the soil is perfect for farming. For centuries, people have grown wheat, rice, and sugarcane here. Cities like Delhi, Agra, and Varanasi grew along the banks of these rivers. The Ganga is especially important and is considered a holy river by Hindus. Millions of people visit its banks for prayers and festivals, showing how deeply the river is connected to their spiritual lives. To the west of the Northern Plains lies a completely different landscape, the Thar Desert. Also known as the Great Indian Desert, this is a large, dry region of sand dunes and thorny bushes. Life here is very different and requires great resilience. People travel on camels, which are often called the ship of the desert. Despite the harsh conditions, the Thar Desert is full of color and culture. Cities like Jaisalmer and Bikaner are famous for their magnificent forts and vibrant folk traditions. The desert shows how people can adapt and create a beautiful life even in the most challenging environments. These three distinct regions, the mountains, the plains, and the desert, make northern India incredibly diverse. You can experience freezing cold temperatures in the Himalayas and scorching heat in the Thar Desert within the same country. This diversity is reflected in the lives of the people. A shepherd in Kashmir, a farmer in Uttar Pradesh, and a camel herder in Rajasthan all have different daily routines, all shaped by the unique geography of their home. This northern part of India is a perfect example of how the land dictates the way people live, work, and celebrate. As we travel south from the Great Northern Plains, we enter the region of the Deccan Plateau. This is a large, triangular piece of land that covers most of southern and central India. It is an ancient plateau, older than the Himalayan mountains, and is bordered by mountain ranges called the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. The land here is rocky and uneven in many places, but it is also rich in minerals. Many important cities, such as Bengaluru and Hyderabad, are located on this plateau. The region is famous for growing crops like cotton, sugarcane, and oilseeds, which are suited to its climate and soil. Surrounding the Deccan Plateau on both sides are the coastal plains. The western coastal plain is narrow and lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. It receives a lot of rain and is known for its beautiful beaches, backwaters, and spice plantations. Famous tourist destinations like Goa and Kerala are found here. The eastern coastal plain, which lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats, is wider and has large deltas formed by rivers like the Mahanadi, Godavari, and Krishna. This area is very fertile and is known as the Rice Bowl of South India. India's long coastline stretches for over 7,500 kilometers, influencing the lives of millions. Fishing is a major occupation for people living in coastal villages, and seafood is a key part of their diet. Major port cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata are busy hubs of trade and commerce, connecting India to the rest of the world. The sea is not just a source of food and business, it also brings the monsoon winds that are crucial for the entire country's agriculture. The beaches and coastal towns are also popular places for relaxation and holidays for people from all over India. Beyond the mainland, India also has two groups of beautiful islands. In the Bay of Bengal, we have the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a chain of over 500 islands known for their dense forests, coral reefs, and unique tribal cultures. In the Arabian Sea, there are the Lakshadweep Islands, a group of smaller coral islands famous for their pristine white sand beaches and clear turquoise waters. These islands add another layer of diversity to India's geography, offering unique ecosystems and stunning natural beauty that are very different from the mainland. They are true jewels in India's vast oceanic territory. Because of its varied geography, India experiences a wide range of climates. In the north, the Himalayas have a cold alpine climate, while the Thar Desert in the west is hot and arid. The coastal regions are typically hot and humid throughout the year. The most important feature of India's climate is the monsoon season. From June to September, seasonal winds bring heavy rains across most of the country. This season is celebrated with joy, as the rains fill the rivers and water the crops. Festivals like Tej in the north are celebrated to welcome the monsoon, showing how deeply the climate is woven into cultural practices. This diversity of landscapes and climates has made India a home for an incredible variety of wildlife. The dense forests of the Western Ghats and the northeastern states are global biodiversity hotspots. India is famous for its majestic animals like the Bengal tiger, the Asiatic lion, the one-horned rhinoceros, and the Asian elephant. There are many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries such as Corbett National Park and Kaziranga National Park that protect these precious species. The country's national bird, the peacock, can be found dancing in the open fields during the monsoon, a common and beautiful sight. The connection between geography and culture in India is profound and can be seen everywhere. The type of house people build, the festivals they celebrate, and the art they create are all influenced by their local environment. For instance, houses in rainy areas like Assam often have sloping roofs, while houses in hot, dry Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roofs to keep the interiors cool. The famous boat races of Kerala are a direct result of the network of backwaters in the region. This shows that Indian culture is not just one single story, but a collection of many stories, each shaped by its unique geographical setting. In conclusion, India's geography is much more than just a physical feature. It is the heart and soul of the nation. The towering mountains, life-giving rivers, fertile plains, and long coastlines have all played a crucial role in shaping the country's destiny. They provide resources for survival, create challenges that inspire innovation, and offer a stunning canvas for a rich tapestry of cultures. From a farmer praying for rain to a city dweller enjoying mangoes in summer, Every Indian's life is touched by the land they call home. Truly, the geography of India is the foundation of its identity, making it one of the most diverse and incredible places on earth.